What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino for the MDF1 Project 1 review. Term is 1403. I'm just going to answer the questions here real quick. And this is what I did for my app. It's a superfoods app. Just lists the 20 superfoods. I pulled this from the Men's Fitness. I did copy it exactly. I don't know if it's accurate, but I'm guessing. But I did copy it exactly. It took the time to copy everything over. So if it's accurate, then it's accurate. So I've got everything works. I also imported a custom repo I found on GitHub that blurs things slightly, and it's called FX Blur, so you can check that out. The repo is awesome. It's super easy to use. So anyway, basically everything works. The edit, besides the edit, it does delete, but it has this weird not quite pushing the cell thing. But when you swipe, that does work. So I'm not sure. It's a bug with iOS, but anyway, here's the detail. The text sometimes is a bit long, so I did add a little scroll here. Just kind of going for a clean, since these are superfoods, I kind of want to go with a clean user interface. Thought that would kind of add to the cool effect. Anyway, so that's what I did. I'll keep coming back to this as I reference the code here. As I go into the first question here, or the second question, go through a short overview of the code. Basically, the custom cells just had three little parameters here. I had the title label, the calories, or the sublabel, and the image. It's a little zoomed in. When it goes to the detail view, it kind of zooms out slightly and gives a taller image. And then the refresh cell to kind of go through and set all the properties as it goes through the cells. So nothing special there. For the main view, again, I just had the blur view and the UI table view, a array, and the edit button. So nothing special there still. I did have some weird things with, I didn't want the navigation bar on the first view, since I did use a navigation view instead of an unwind or anything like that. I wanted to kind of hide that, so that's why I had to set the on the view did appear, just hit it on the first view, but it's there for the second view on the back button. So that's what I did for that. View did load, and I'm just setting all the data, adding it to the array, doing some stuff with the blur, and that's pretty much it. This is pretty much straight from the video. This was super awesome, made total sense. Just every time it clicks the edit button, it just kind of makes the opposite of the as editing. So that switches back and forth instead of setting it to true and then false or something like that. So that's cool. Here we're removing everything. Didn't have too much comments because everything's pretty simple with iOS. It just tells you remove object. So I kind of put little bits in there, but for the most part I didn't do anything crazy where I'm just like, what the heck? Anyway, alright, so number of rows, just returning the number of rows. I had a little bit of a header to just kind of scoot things down, because it does start kind of lower, so put a little bit of a header there. Prepare for segue, just passing through the object, the current food, created a current food array, and then pass that through the cell, the index path, the object, and that's it. And I had a current food in this in this class, and then I had another one in the detail view, so go over here and check that out. A few more parameters here in the detail, just because everything is showing up here, so there's quite a bit more information, which is why it's called detail view. But here's everything that I'm setting from current. Also have the current here, a current fruit from the superclass, so I'm just plugging them straight through, passing the objects instead of arrays or anything like that. That just made it super easy. So just matched them here, the food image to the image, and so forth. Nothing special. This actually doesn't have to be there. Trying some stuff out. So that's basically it. Nothing super crazy or anything. What I could have done better, probably maybe try to figure out more with why this edit, some workaround or something, because it's I mean, I think it's a bug, but I'm sure there's workarounds. But for the purpose of functionality, everything works, and swiping works perfectly. It's just weird that edit is, anyway. So maybe kind of look into that a bit more. I wanted to start on next week's stuff, so I didn't put too much into it, but everything works, and that was great. I had a lot of fun, and that is it. Thanks for watching. This has been my Project 1 review, and have a good one.